In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom feed. A custom feed is a really handy way to organize the content you see so that you're not overwhelmed by everything happening across the entire platform. Instead of relying only on the default home feed, you can group specific communities or subreddits into one personalized stream, and then visit that whenever you want a more focused experience. Let's start from the very beginning. First, go to the community or subreddit that you want to add to your custom feed. You can get there however you normally do. Maybe you search for it, maybe it's in your subscriptions, or maybe you click it from your homepage. The important thing is that you're on the main page of that community, where you can see its post and header. Once you're on that community page, look for the three dots icon. This is usually found near the top of the screen, close to the community name or the join button, depending on the layout you're using. These three dots typically indicate a menu with extra options that aren't shown by default. Take a second to make sure you found the correct menu, then click on it to open the list of available actions. After you click on the three dots, a small menu will appear. In that menu, look for the option that says Add to Custom Feed. This is the option that tells the platform you want to include this specific community in a personalized feed of your own. Go ahead and click Add to Custom Feed. If you don't see it right away, scroll a bit through the menu or make sure you're on the community page and not an individual post. When you select Add to Custom Feed, you'll then see an option to create a custom feed. This is where you actually set up your new feed for the first time. Click on Create a Custom Feed. You'll usually be asked to give it a name. Try choosing something that clearly describes what kind of content will be in it, so it's easy to recognize later, especially if you decide to make more custom feeds in the future. Once your custom feed is created, that community is now part of it. From now on, you can add more communities by repeating these same steps. Over time, you'll build a focused, personalized place to browse exactly the kind of content you care about most.